Okay, so I thought I'd stop the fast forwarding since I'm going to be putting on this lipstick to tell you guys what I think about it. I've used the Stunna Lippaints before. I used the red one when it first came out. I believe that was the first one that came out. I like most of Fenty's makeup. I feel like the Stunna Lippaints move around a lot. They're not as matte as I would want them to be. Like, if I put a lipstick on, I want it to stay there. I don't want it to have the possibility to like smear. I don't think the formula of this has changed. Also, that watery noise is the dishwasher. This is the Stunna Lip Paint in, what's this new color called? Undefeated. I love a dark purple lip, so when you guys said you want to see a look with these new colors, I was like, this is the one I'm doing. So I'm not a pink girl. I don't really wear a red lip too often, so here we go. One thing I do like about the Stunna Lip Paints is the applicator. Like, I think it's very good for applying the product. Okay, I always kind of do that little thing to just get some on the top lip. I need a close-up mirror. I'm not gonna add any more to my applicator because I think it's plenty saturated, so. I like the color. I think it looks good. I still feel like it's the same formula where it's like a very big possibility that this can smear. So I can't say anything like to that. Y'all know I usually wear like a gloss, like a nude gloss, a pinky gloss, maybe a bronzy gloss. And I usually wear no pink lips or purple lips or red lips. And a few people were asking for more of like a neutral eye look, which, like, dang, y'all, can y'all let me live? Like, I just got into colors. Y'all already like go back to the neutrals. But I feel you. If colorful isn't your steez, which it wasn't mine for a while. I don't even think it is now, but I'm just having fun with that. This came out cute, right? It's just gonna take me some getting used to this color. But yeah, I'll be right back because I need to go pick the giveaway one. Okay, first I just want it to be, this is the one I used today. This is the one that's being given, come on now, away. There is one in there. Okay. So the giveaway winner is, dang, I feel like I forgot your name, girl. Now I remember. Liz the Novelty, at Liz the Novelty. I'm gonna write it down out here. But yeah, girl, you're the winner. I just wanted to like do that. Like, it was unexpected. We hadn't hit like a subscriber milestone or anything. I like to do one random one here or there. So I'm actually liking this the more and more I look at it. It's bold. It's pretty bold. But yeah, girl, you won it. So I'm gonna send that to you. I have already started putting stuff away for the giveaway once we get to 1,000. It's gonna be a good one. So I want to get there because I like doing the giveaways. It's really fun. In the giveaway, I give you guys a whole week to enter. You can do multiple entries. This one was only a couple days just because it was just like spur of the moment. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. As you can see, I do a lot of stuff on Instagram, little secret giveaways on Instagram that aren't broadcasted on here. So you want to get following over there so you can get in on it and vote, because you guys voted that you want to see a look with this lip color and that you guys want to see something neutral. So yeah, that's it. I do have some products that are coming to me that I am excited to try. One is a new foundation, which I'm definitely gonna test out, and then some others are skincare, so I can't wait to do a review on that because I don't typically do reviews on skincare and stuff, so I am gonna do that too. Okay, so if you have any recommendations for any like other type of looks or videos you want to see, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.